Divine Secrets of the Sisterhood.
Directed by Callie Cowrie Moore, Divine Secrets of the Sisterhood, 12 of 28 great movies about old ladies, 14 of 34 the best mother-daughter movies ever made, 19 of 97 the best Southern movies.
Infernal Affairs.
Directed by Alan Mack, Andrew Lowe. Infernal Affairs, 58 of 123, the best mafia films of all time, 41 of 85 the best movies about corrupt cops, 45 of 99 the best gangster movies.
Tuck Everlasting.
Directed by J. Russell Moore, Tuck Everlasting, 80 of 200 the best teen romance movies, 61 of 96 the best film adaptations of young adult novels, 260 of 557 the greatest film scores of all time.
Bloody Sunday.
Directed by Paul Greengrass.
Antwone Fisher.
Directed by Denzel Washington Moore. Antwone Fisher, 46 of 90 great historical black movies based on true stories, 112 of 275 the best movies based on true stories, 10 of 85 the greatest African American biopics.
Treasure Planet.
Directed by Ron Clements, John Musker Moore. Treasure Planet, 13 of 99 the greatest kids sci-fi movies, 45 of 58 the best Disney animated movies. Bowling for Columbine.
Return to Neverland.
Directed by Robin Budd, Donovan Cook Moore. Return to Neverland, 437 of 575 the best animated films ever, 93 of 111 the best Disney animated movies of all time, 69 of 88 animated movies that make you cry the most.
Jackass the movie.
More Jackass the movie, 268 of 277 the top tearjerker movies that make men cry, 422 of 541 the greatest guilty pleasure movies, 380 of 1137 the absolute funniest movies of all time.
Capturing the Friedmans.
Or Capturing the Friedmans, 8 of 59 life-changing documentaries you've got to see, 4 of 351 the greatest documentaries of all time, 5 of 19 these documentaries took a hard left turn and left audiences shocked and confused.
Star Wars Episode Roman II Attack of the Clones.
Star Wars Episode Roman II Attack of the Clones.
Roger Dodger.
Directed by Dylan Kidd. XXX. 40 Days and 40 Nights.
Equilibrium.
Equilibrium.
Autofocus.
Directed by Paul Schrader, Larry Karaszewski. More Autofocus, 21 of 22 the weirdest Willem Dafoe performances that prove he's great in everything, 20 of 88 the best Willem Dafoe movies, 9 of 32 the best biopics about actors.
The Good Girl.
The Good Girl.
Femme Fatale.
Directed by Brian De Palma. More Femme Fatale. 245 of 675. The best movies Roger Ebert gave 4 stars. 209 of 280. The best Whodunit movies 434. 530. The greatest crime movies ever made.
Men in Black Roman 2.
Directed by Barry Sonnenfeld.
National Lampoon's Van Wilder.
Directed by Walt Becker. More National Lampoon's Van Wilder. 712 of 925. The all-time greatest comedy films. 6 of 141. The best college movies ever. 14 of 82. The greatest party movies ever made.
The Hours.
Directed by Stephen Daldry. More The Hours. 390 of 1189. Every Oscar-winning film ever. 74 of 170. The most utterly depressing movies ever made. 217 of 369. The best movies based on books.
Secretary.
Directed by Stephen Shadberg. More Secretary. 613 of 836. The greatest chick flicks ever made. 10 of 75. 50-plus quirky romance movies that are unique in their own way. 3 of 119. The most awkward movies to watch with your parents.
Laurel Canyon.
Directed by Lisa Kolodenko.
Barbershop.
Directed by Tim Story. More Barbershop. 43 of 661. The best black movies ever made. Ranked 13 of 142. The funniest black movies ever made. 12 of 34. The best comedies about the workplace.
The Santa Claus 2.
Directed by Michael Lembeck. More The Santa Claus. 223 of 127. The best Christmas movies of all time. 56 of 154. The best movie sequels ever made. 51 of 56. The best Christmas rom-coms.
The Sweetest Thing.
The Sweetest Thing.
Murder by Numbers.
Directed by Barbet Schroeder. Jonah, a VeggieTales movie.
Frida.
Frida,
The Sum of All Fears.
the sum of all fears.
A Walk to Remember.
A walk to remember.
Punch Drunk Love.
Punch Drunk Love.
Changing Lanes.
Changing Lanes.
Enough.
Enough.
We Were Soldiers.
Directed by Randall Wallace. More We Were Soldiers. 223 of 553. The greatest epic movies ever made. 7 of 374. The 50-plus best war movies ever made. Ranked.
John Q.
John Q.
Sweet Home Alabama.
Directed by Andy Tennant. More Sweet Home Alabama. 22 of 125. The greatest date movies of all time. 20 of 90. The funniest movies about family. Like Oleander.
Simone.
Directed by Andrew Niccol.
Hurrow.
Hurrow. About Schmidt.
Spirit, Stallion of the Cimarron.
Directed by Lorna Cook. Kelly as Barrymore Spirit. Blade Roman 2.
Chicago.
Directed by Rob Marshall. More Chicago. 39/46 movies that won Best Picture at the Oscars and Golden Globes. 62 of 206 musical movies, with Best Song 63 of 92. The very best Oscar-winning movies for Best Picture.
25th Hour.
25th Hour.
My Big Fat Greek Wedding.
Directed by Joel Whitmore. My Big Fat Greek Wedding. 240 of 925. The all-time greatest comedy films. 181 of 1540. The most rewatchable movies.
1 Hour Photo.
1 Hour Photo.
Unfaithful.
Directed by Adrian Lyne Moore. Unfaithful. 13 of 24. The best movies about a midlife crisis in women. 1 of 44. The best cheating wife movies.
The Rookie.
The Rookie.
The Transporter.
The Transporter.
Resident Evil.
Resident Evil.
Phone Booth.
Phone Booth.
Insomnia.
Insomnia.
City of God.
City of God.
Red Dragon.
Directed by Brett Ratner.
Adaptation.
Adaptation.
About a boy.
About a boy.
Road to Perdition.
Directed by Sam Mendes.
Panic Room.
Panic Room.
8 Mile.
8 Mile. Signs.
The Ring.
The Ring. Lilo and Stitch. The Count of Monte Cristo.
Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets.
Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets.
Gangs of New York.
Gangs of New York.
Ice Age.
Ice Age. The Pianist.
The Bourne Identity.
Directed by Deb Lemon.
28 Days Later.
Directed by Danny Boyle Moore. 28 Days Later. 14 small but fascinating details fans noticed in 28 Days Later. 27, 722 the best horror movies of all time.
Minority Report.
Minority Report.
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man. Catch Me If You Can.
The Lord of the Rings, The Two Towers.
Directed by Peter Jackson.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.